The fire to the pyre has been given by Twisha's brother, who is here. The family members have been sitting far away, watching the final journey of their daughter, who was a ray of hope, who was a bright professional, she was a bright student, she was someone who was always bringing joy and smile to the face of family. But what happened to her? She will be soon converted into ashes. Her body was there inside the mortuary for 12 days. That is certainly something which has not been seen in the country for over many years. This is a case which is also unique for the forensic terminology, because the second autopsy has been conducted after 12 days of time period. The courts had to intervene. The Supreme Court has also taken the suo moto in this particular case, where the state government has been sent notice. The state government will have to give its reply. On the other note, there are two pending petitions which are there in the Honorable High Court of Jabalpur, where the court will be certainly listening to the petition from the state government side on the bail application cancellation of Twisha's mother-in-law, Girbala Singh, as well as the notice has been served from the state police side. There are few more unanswered questions that the police official would also like to know from Samarth Singh, because Samarth is someone who had been privy to all the kind of information which was there in the family. What led to the circumstances under which Twisha died is certainly important. Few hours back, I was talking to the officials. What they have said, that how Samarth and Twisha came to each other's life will be something which will be important for the police also to know. When did Twisha get to know about the marriage, how they got married, what kind of relationship they had, what was the kind of relationship with Girbala and Twisha is certainly something which police will also try to know it from Samarth.